people, it's your girl Krissy, and I'm back at it again with another video. And in today's video I will be doing another product review. Okay, that was weird. I'll be doing another product review, and this is the ORS hair repair deep conditioning mask, and I'm super excited to try this. I went on their website a couple weeks back, and this was a product of theirs that they had that was fairly new. It also came with its own oil, so I will be doing a review of these two products for you guys today. As you guys can see, I have my hair up in a little bun, and I'm going to take it down. The color that I have in my hair right now is Dragon Fruit from the ORS Curls Unleashed Hair Wax collection. Ooh, a relief. And I've had this in my hair. I've been rocking this color in my hair for about 2 weeks now, and my hair needs to be washed. So I'm gonna show it a little bit of TLC because it needs it, while giving you guys a review on this product. So I'm going to wash my hair out, which means this color is going to be washed out. My hands are running. It's going to be washed out, and I'm going to do my little mask, put my cap on, and I'll come back with all my pros and cons of the product, and I will just let you guys know what I think. So if you want my full thoughts and review on this product, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as thumb this video up if you do like it, and please click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. So right now this is currently what my hair looks like. I am going to go into the shower, but before I do, I'm just going to section my hair. Here Alexa's talking. Oh my gosh. So I put my hair in 4 so it's easy to detangle and wash out. So I'm going to start from the top part of my hair, so that way whatever product I have in the top part of my head kind of just washes out on the bottom, and then once I'm done with the top part, I'll just wash out the bottom part. I'm gonna fast forward this process because I'm not really focusing on washing out my hair, but I'll show you guys a little bit if you guys want to see. Okay, let's go.
As you guys can see, this product definitely gave me slip so I could finger detangle my hair, and I really enjoyed that. It made my hair feel really soft, and I really love that it actually made me detangle my hair because my hair was in a pretty rough stage, you know what I'm saying? But as you guys can see for yourself, my fingers are really going through that really smoothly, and I was kind of impressed with how smooth it actually went through my hair and detangled it. But I loved it, and pretty much what I did was just I twist up the 4 sections and I put on my heating cap and I left it on for a couple of minutes while I, you know, did my little girly stuff in the shower. And then after that, I'm pretty much just going to wash it out, still keeping it in sections so I can keep that heat, that moisture in. And pretty much that's it for this video. I really like this product. It made my hair feel super soft. It cleansed my hair. It made my hair look alive again, and not saying it wasn't alive, but it did make my hair look a little bit more healthier and curls were popping, and it definitely made it easier for me to detangle my hair and just style my hair in general. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thick thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay positive and life surprise you, because it will anyways. Mwah! Later, y'all. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot that this deep conditioning mask also came with a hair oil, which I super duper love. It smells so good, and I love using this product in my hair. I used it to seal up my 3-strand twist out. It did amazing, and just when I just need to spice up my hair and my life, I just use these 2 combos, and it does a really good job at detangling my hair to style and everything. But yeah, I'm gone now. Thank you guys. Bye.